Bienvenidos.
Hola. We are in Los Cabos, staying at the Western Resort and Spa. We have one day to explore.
Cabo San Lucas.
And we are super excited. We are going to do an excursion today to go snorkeling, to go see the arch, and to eat some really good food.
My favorite food.
You pumped?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you only have one day, we got an itinerary for you. Welcome to the adventures, y'all.
Welcome.
We booked a day trip that departed from the Cabo San Lucas marina, which is a really fun touristy area to walk around. We had some time to kill before our boat tour, and we were enticed by the smells coming from the taco factory. You may be thinking, this is probably just some tourist trap with subpar food and service. But I promise you, this place is excellent and worth a visit. Breakfast of Champions.
Woohoo! It's 8:30 in the morning.
Well, tequila shots are not part of our normal morning routine, but that didn't stop us.
Oh, that's smooth. Oh my gosh.
We need to talk about these tacos and salsas. Literally everything was grilled to order. The corn tortillas were delicious, the toppings were fresh, and the sauces were bursting with flavor. We had 3 incredible tacos, a beer, and 2 tequila shots for under $20 US, and the service was impeccable. This place doesn't even have a website, so we consider it a hidden gem, even if it is right in the marina.
Tacos at 8 o'clock in the morning are where it's at.
It's just a dream, is what it is.
Through our hotel's concierge, we booked an excursion with Rancho Tours that included a glass-bottom small boat tour to the famous Arch of Cabo San Lucas and a snorkeling adventure. But we didn't know we were going to see some of these famous Cabo water residents.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Look at them. Oh, they're so cutie. Oh my gosh.
This was only the beginning of our sea lion sightings. Just wait for it. There are so many boat tours available to see the arch, but we were thoroughly impressed with Rancho Tours right from the beginning. Our captain and first mate were so friendly, welcoming, and professional. They knew so much about the area and shared some really interesting stories with us. The glass bottom may be just a novelty, but honestly it was pretty cool. They fed the fish near us so we could see so many different fish swim underneath. And with only 7 guests on our boat, including us, it felt like a personalized, intimate tour. The top tourist site in Cabo San Lucas is the famous Arch. Locally known as El Arco, this distinctive natural rock formation has become the symbol of the city, and it's only about a 20-minute boat ride from the marina. It's believed that the arch was created when an enormous cave collapsed due to erosion, and the winds and waters have continued to shape it for thousands of years. It is a true natural wonder, and we consider it an absolute blessing to have seen it. After the arch viewing, we were dropped off at a small rocky beach for snorkeling and relaxing. Warning, the intense waves did not make for an easy snorkeling experience.
We were like 5 feet away from a sea lion. It was one of the scariest things. They're very calm. They said they don't do anything, but still, being that close to something that's like a zillion times your size is quite unnerving. And the water is the choppiest water I've ever been in my entire life. It was very hard to swim in, hence this beer that I've earned.
That was some of the best snorkeling I've ever done in my entire life.
Amazing.
Oh.
So we saw Mexican goatfish. We saw the Moorish idol. And then we saw the kingfish, but it had an orange tail, the guy said. And he said next month there's going to be manta rays.
After snorkeling, our boat captain gave us a couple of beers and we just basked in the beauty of this rocky beach. Cliffs towered above us, waves pummeled onto the rocks, a tribe of black crabs scampered around. We could have stayed here all day.
It's very cold.
We got more fish sightings from our glass-bottom boat, and then Rancho provided us some delicious homemade sandwiches for our trip back.
Avocado, banana peppers, lettuce, mayonnaise, cheese. Oh my god, this looks so good. You know I love a freaking sandwich.
Allow us to introduce you to the local legend, Pancho the Sea Lion. Seriously, this sea lion is internet famous because he jumps on boats to beg or steal the catch of the day. Watching this beast hitch a ride on a boat is one of the craziest things we've ever seen. We are brewery people, so when we heard there was a local brewery that also had the best rooftop view in Cabo, we had to find it. And honestly, it was not an easy find. We walked about 10 minutes from the marina to the Cabo Villas Beach Resort and meandered our way into the hallways until we found an elevator. But oh, was it worth it. Welcome to the famous Baja Brewing Rooftop Patio. We've literally been to hundreds of breweries, but this place ranks at the very top for its incredible view of the famous Cabo Beach line. There are actually 2 locations in the region, with this one opening in 2009. They have a full bar, a great elevated pub menu, and, much to our delight, an incredible selection of craft beers. We tried their IPAs, lagers, and seasonal wheat ales, and each brew was crisp, flavorful, and refreshing. This is hands down one of our favorite breweries, so we highly recommend it.
I never go to a rooftop brewery without my binoculars so I can spot.
After beering it up, it was time for tacos. A local highly recommended a place called La Lupita Taco and Mezcal, which was only about a 5-minute walk away. From the outside, you would never guess how vibrant and cool the La Lupita restaurant is. It felt like entering a secret garden, but one that smelled like delicious grilled food. We could tell upon entering that this was a local's place, so we were thankful for the tip.
That is all of their mezcal. I've never been to a more beautiful place. Okay, we're at a mezcal and taco bar. So, I mean, if you want to speak my love language and get into this one piece, you're doing a good job. There is such a good kick. Oh my gosh.
I've never had a mezcal martini layered in tahini. Oh, smoky yet herbaceous. Ooh, that's incredible.
La Lupita serves some excellent craft cocktails. These aren't just standard margaritas. These are colorful, creative concoctions using local liquors. We also ordered their tableside guacamole as an appetizer, and this was one of the best tasting guacs we've ever had. We practically licked that bowl clean.
Yeah, wipe away that tear. Oh my god, it's so good.
That is fresh,
Yeah,
cold guac on a
Friggin'
warm day in
incredible.
Cabo. And it's everything I wanted. Oh my gosh, that is exquisite guacamole.
courtesy of the chef. Tortilla soup with shrimp broth. Oh my god, it's so good. On a hot day, still good.
Taco time.
This is gonna be messy. Oh god, I'm about to be embarrassed. It's hot too. The saltiness of the cheese with the sweetness of the pineapple. Adios, meal. Hi, perfecto.
There's such a mixture of flavors on every taco. When you come like the fresh cold cut cucumber, looks like onions, and then like, oh my gosh, that pork belly on here.
This is the miso fish. Me so happy. This is the hardest decision of my life. I have to decide, do I want to try the suckling pig or do I want to try the ribeye? My heart's leaning towards the suckling pig because that carrot sauce just looks so freaking good.
Go for it.
It's gonna be a big bite, so I gotta get the carrot. Don't judge me. You still love me?
Always.
Great. I could cry. Oh my god. The juices from the pig went right to the back of my throat. But the creaminess of the carrot was incredible.
So good.
I could cry. This is so good.
Last first bite of the night.
Last first bite. That's funny.
That's an Asian steak taco. That hoisin. That is an Asian minty steak taco.
We hope you liked this day trip itinerary. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures on Micaleb Goes West. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.
I'm so tired. Adios.
If you like this video and want to see more of the beautiful Los Cabos region of Mexico, then be sure to check out our guide to the Westin Los Cabos Resort Villas. This was a stellar resort with one of the best pools and beaches in the area. We hope you can check it out. Adios.